Lights, camera,
Lights.
action!
And action.
Douglas, these folks have just seen your history of buckles all through your catalogs and through your postcards. Tell us about that.
That's a lot of history. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to tell that story.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of like the history of the world. As you know, Wendy has been delving into that history, and I've forgotten more than I remember. That is the truth. What would you like to know?
I'd like to know. I mean, do you call yourself primarily, I know you said you made a name for yourself in the buckle industry, right? But would you say buckle industry or silversmith, buckle designer and manufacturer? How would you describe yourself in that history?
Well, buckles are a particularly special variety of jewelry.
Yeah.
But I always liked, you know why I liked it is because it has a practical application when you put it on and you wear it. And it holds your pants up, which by the way, my pants have been falling down all day. These,
Well, maybe we can find a buckle around here for you. One that has a belt on it.
you know, it's the pants. But without the belt, you wouldn't want to see where my pants go.
Okay, we're going too far. Now, where are we standing right now?
Well, we're in my workshop where I create most of what I do. I mean, I create throughout the shop, but I mean, much of what I do is done right here.
Yeah.
And so we're right here, right now.
Look at all these
That's what we're doing
tools.
right now. Well, aren't you lucky I cleaned up here recently? Because
Aren't you lucky I'm cleaning up so that
well,
you can
I
find
know,
all these
but,
history?
You know, you weren't going to clean up.
No, I'm not touching
Nobody
this
can
stuff.
touch this
No,
stuff.
I'm not touching this.
And I mean to tell you,
I'm not touching
it
this.
takes a lot of work to get your jewelry shop cleaned up because everything needs to be, well, just right. Everything, the tools have to be in good shape. They have to be really functional.
Yeah.
And not too much clutter. But then again, not too much neatness.
Right.
Yeah, because too much neatness means you're not doing anything.
Got it.
Well, anyway, I do plenty.
Yes, you do. And Douglas, I want to say, on behalf of myself, all the many Magnus fans out there,
Well,
all the viewers who are becoming Magnus fans real quick here.
appreciate that.
Thank you for your
very much.
contribution.
Thank you
Incredible
for your continued
contribution.
Support and
You are a great
It's my favorite.
American artist, silversmith,
you're so pretty.
stone carver, painter.
Well, hurry up because I got to get out stone carving here real quick.
Okay. Till next
It's a
time,
beautiful
y'all.
day. It's a beautiful
Bye.
day.